Title: Navigating Basic American Banking, a Guide for English Learners. Scene 1. Introduction. Narrator: Off-screen welcome to Navigating Basic American Banking, designed for English learners. In this video, we'll take you through essential banking tasks such as opening a bank account, using an ATM, and sending money. Let's get started. Scene 2. Opening a bank account. Narrator: to camera, opening a bank account is your first step to managing your finances in the US. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Research and choose a bank. Narrator: voiceover: start by researching banks online or visiting a few branches to see which one suits your needs. Consider factors like fees, services offered, and convenience. Step 2. Gather the necessary documents. Narrator: voiceover: most banks require a government-issued ID, proof of address, and your social security number. If you're foreign national, your passport and visa will be essential. Step 3. Visit the bank. Narrator: to camera, go to the bank of your choice and approach a customer service representative. Step 4. Ask to open an account. Narrator: off-screen, politely say, "I'd like to open an account, please." The bank staff will guide you through the application forms and the process. Step 5. Make a deposit. Narrator: voiceover: you may need to deposit a minimum amount into your new account. This varies from bank to bank. Scene 3. Using an ATM. Narrator: to camera, now that your account is open, let's learn how to use an ATM. Step 1. Locate an ATM. Narrator: voiceover: ATMs are commonly located at banks, shopping areas, and convenience stores. Step 2. Insert your card. Narrator: off-screen, insert your debit card into the designated slot. Follow the on-screen prompts. Step 3. Enter your PIN. Narrator: voiceover: enter your personal identification number, PIN. This is a 4-digit number chosen by you. Step 4. Choose your transaction. Narrator: to camera, select the transaction you want to perform, such as withdrawal, deposit, or check balance. Step 5. Complete your transaction. Narrator: voiceover: follow the instructions on the screen to complete your transaction. Remember to take your card and receipt before leaving. Scene 4. Sending money. Narrator: to camera, lastly, let's discover how to send money, a useful service if you need to pay bills or send remittances. Narrator: voiceover: you can send money using bank transfers, online services, or wire transfers.